lemon.
I smell what? Oh, it's my cough drop. Wait, where are you? Where are you? Okay.
3
Ready?
layers.
3?
No, 4 layers.
Oh my. Wait!
I'll take it.
Oh wait.
Take it here. Take it here.
Okay, wait.
Where it's like.
Come on. Scoot back.
Take it there.
Alright, go.
Go!
Yeah! Nice. It's my cough drop.
Nope.
Oh my goodness. Somebody hit it too.
Oh
Like, there's nothing there. Are you kicking it?
No, I mean I have somebody holding it.
Oh, okay, I'll hold it. Yeah, I'll hold it.
And there's tape on it.
Well, rip off the tape and find a section. Here, do this one. Here, hold the other side of this. She wants to punch through it. Punch it. Yeah. You gotta punch harder.
Hold on.
Okay, don't kick in a skirt. Punch. Punch through it, Cass. Oh. They're laughing at you.
He's ready?
Yeah. Robert's gonna break. Wait, watch out. Alright. I've always wanted to see Robert and Justin do their taekwondo.
Wait, I just wanted to learn. It's been a whole year since I did my training.
A whole year. I'm sure it's fine. Alright. Here we go. Watch out, Chris. Look, back up, Chris. Back up. Brighton, watch out.
Right?
Let's get back. You're just gonna go straight up? Oh, wait. Whoa, that's high. Watch out. Watch out. Whoa! Nice.
It's been a while.
Nice.
Every time I do this, I get surprised.
You get surprised? You scare yourself? Okay, now look at all the big mess we have in here.
It'll be fun if I can hit this in your head.
I wonder who needs to help me clean this up. Oh, DS!
This is too small.
Alright.
Yeah,
Wait, stop. Get out of the way.
That's the Roberts.
Whoa! Nice.
I cannot do.
Hey, DK. This is from your audit, the business. You're done with it.
Uncle Joe!
Yay!
Uncle Joe!
Hey, where's GS?
Where's DK?
Alright, we're done.